I've worn a hazmat suit before to clear out a listing. I've done everything. My name is Christopher Lee and I do everything. My name is Christopher Lee and I'm the Director of Operations with the COHEN Group Northwest. Most people don't know everything that goes into the purchase or sale of a home. Everything from photo and video all the way through getting it under contract and finalizing the close. As the operations person, I get to assist with all of those tasks to support the agent and make sure they go flawlessly for the client. It's really important to have a team because all of us work together to get the job done at the end of the day, especially when more things come up that you didn't plan or project for in the first place. Those can be very stressful. I have crawled under houses before. I have cleaned out houses before that normally you wouldn't step foot in. I have put things on Craigslist for free and had people come pick them up and manage that whole situation. I have removed dead rats from houses. I have counseled people before and managed relationships to keep people married in order to get the job done. I've also helped with children. I'm really good at holding babies while showing houses. So, you know, it's a bit of everything. My love for Bellingham didn't start until actually I moved back. I chose to move away thinking that it was gonna be greener on the other side. And then I came back because my family was here and I missed them and it was my home, it was comfortable. I knew who people were here, I had opportunity here and things that you could dive into, which I guess is a condition of anyone's hometown. Now I appreciate it so much more being here as an adult, no longer an adolescent, and realizing the quality of life here we have is vastly different and by far better than a lot of places. We have everything from, you know, specific food types here to eating places. We have industry here for jobs. Our housing market stays stable, increased values of course. So we couldn't ask for a better all-around environment to raise families and live our lives in the best way possible. High-level real estate service to me is everything that goes on through a purchase or a sale that isn't the basics. It's the carpet cleaning that you attend. It's the doors you unlock and lock up for all the different vendors for repairs and updates. It's helping people clean out their houses and take things to Goodwill. It's cleaning out houses sometimes for an elderly client who couldn't do it themselves. It's everything that you put in and the passion that you provide to those people to make their experience great and ensure that they get to that next leg of their life's journey, whatever that might be. My passion is helping people, and I think that's what drove me to being an agent. I realized that yes, I mean there's a lot of people out there that can process a transaction or list a home, but what is your passion behind that? Why do you do that? Why bother? It's a lot of work. I wanted to help people get to the next step, whether that was downsizing, upsizing, you know, your family grows, you wanted to move to a new location, maybe you're trying to move closer to your grandkids. Those are all huge goals that people have, and one of the facets of getting to that goal is to sell your home potentially, or buy a new home in that new location. There's a huge amount of satisfaction I get as a person from providing somebody with a win. It's them finally hitting closing day, signing the documents, and being able to move into their home that weekend. That smile on their face gives me an immense sense of accomplishment, knowing that I helped somebody, we got the job done, and they're off to a better start.